Hey everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And this particular wig review is coming from the True Glory Hair Company. That's right, me and True Glory have teamed up to bring you guys another curly girl review. The unit that I have on my head is actually one of their, I believe this is their loose deep 13x4 22 inches. I had to remember what length I got. 22-inch lace frontal unit. It is 150 density, and this is actually what it looks like when it's been fluffed out. Really, really good. So this is their loose wave. So if I was to wet this unit, it would actually be a little bit smaller. So true fun fact about this: when you get the loose wave, it looks like it's thinner than normal until you actually get it, fluff her out, and really, really wear her, and then you can actually see her in her true potential. So this is actually what the box comes in. Very nice, sleek, and everything. It says True Glory Hair on the front. On the side, it has the website where you can purchase this unit, and of course, I will leave you guys the link down below. On the back, it also tells you what it is. It's the Brazilian, oh my bad, you guys, I said loose deep. This is deep wave in the length 22 inches, but the parting is still 13x4. And it is a frontal unit, so you are able to do a half up, half down, and all that fun stuff. Me personally, I plucked mine down the middle because I love the way the curl is formatted, and I love the way that, you know, it really laid going into the middle. So why not make this into a permanent middle part? So when you open up your box, it's so cute. It says "Hello Gorgeous," and if you guys follow me on TikTok or my Snap, you notice that I did already do like a cute little video for this the box opening. But it says "Hello Gorgeous" on there. It has nice black polka dotted paper, which I think is very cute. You have your wig bag that the wig came in, and I think this is the cutest thing, and I have yet to see any other company do this, so you other companies, get up on it. They give you their own little wrap for your edges to tie your wig down. And it says "Laid and Slayed." And on the side, it has the logo True Glory Hair on the other side. So I think that is a really nice personal touch when you're buying a unit from, especially when you're going to be investing some money into a company. You kind of want it to be where they like give you a little bit extra to keep you coming back. So this was actually a plus. I actually love that. So those are all the cute little details. Let me give you guys my review. That's just what you get with the box. This is what the wig looks like. Let me give you guys my personal review of this unit. So starting off, we all know I love curly hair. That is the biggest thing. That is a plus. So we're going to automatically just say I love the curls of this unit. However, the only thing that I did not like, and it's part of the reason why I end up doing the middle part, so it worked out. So it was a con, but we kind of worked it out to where it was a negative, turned into a positive. If you can tell, there are some shorter pieces that's kind of like been pre-cut for you. And for some people, that's cool. So yes, so I personally don't like the fact that it did have the shorter pieces, but like I said, I did do a middle part. So once I did the middle part, it became highly successful for me personally, which it's a winner chicken dinner. The lace on this unit is freaking impeccable. Like, it is undetectable lace. I really love that. I gotta go fix my baby hairs before I go to work. But other than that, I love the unit. That was the only con, was the fact that it had shorter pieces, but nevertheless, we made it work anyway. I definitely love this unit. The shipping on this unit was very, very fast. They hit me up. They told me pick which one I wanted. Literally, we placed the order that day. We set aside of what we were gonna do, and it was here the next week, like that Monday. And shipping was impeccable, so definitely order from them. And also, did I mention this is black owned? And yes, my watch is going off right now. But yes, this is a black owned company coming out of Atlanta, Georgia. And you know how we love a black owned business, so definitely hit them up, copy your next unit with them at True Glory Hair. If this video was informative and to you guys, like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders,